taken up inside of my heart. They were trying to keep me entertained. They were tearing me apart. Well, my memory, she was packing, yeah. And I knew that you would never come back. She handed me a letter and then she vanished in the black. And the letter said, things are what you make of them, things are what you make of them, baby. And you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Things are what you make of them, things are what you make of them, baby. And you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, you know what I mean. Well, I met up with my common sense, and I knew her by the rose in her hair. She said, if you don't make a noise, God will never know you're there. So purchase me